right, who's ready for a robot fight? Okay. So, starting with our tall bot in black, this robot is spinning winds like Rapunzel spins gold out of hair. It's Spinna. And our short, stout, and wide bot in black. First, somebody's excited. First, this bot will clean your floors, and then it'll clean your clock. It's Death Roomba! Spinna, are you ready? Death Roomba, are you ready? Let's get our countdown. 3, 2, 1. Rumble robots. Spinning up instantly. Oh, man. Death Roomba doing a top move. Oh, being bounced around here. I see lights inside of that thing. Spinning up, chasing it down, flicking it in the air. And we're gonna have to call it there, folks. We're calling it there. Making the winner of this match, Spinna.